Hey guys, I'm Ross with Hoopty Garage, and this is my car.
This is my 1998 Ford Escort ZX2. I picked it up for $400 2 years ago with a blown clutch and rotten front suspension. It comes from the factory with a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder pumping out a whopping 130 horsepower or 96 kilowatts to everybody else in the world. This car has a 5-speed manual transmission, manual windows, manual door locks. The AC doesn't work, but it was only $400, so I can't complain. As I said before, my name is Ross. I'm 29 years old. I am from Oklahoma. I kind of want to start this channel as a documentation of my car and the process that I'm going to go through to make it how I want it to look. I'm on a budget. I've got a family. I have bills and responsibilities. So I'm not going to be able to spend, a crap ton of money just throwing stuff at this car. I'm going to do stuff here and there that you guys might consider expensive, that I'm probably going to consider expensive because I'm cheap. But it's just, hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? It's the guy who came into my lane with the Yukon. It's going to be like budget build, kind of. I don't have a ton of extra money to buy parts with or cosmetic mods or stuff like that. I have some stuff here for the car already that I'm going to end up putting in once I get everything. Like I have the radio bezel, I have some fabric that I'm going to do the headliner and the shift boot in. I've got the whole wiring kit for a radio. I just don't have a radio because I haven't bought one yet. I just spent, some extra money that, to be honest, I really didn't have on the camera, and I just got done messing with it, and the audio's not how I wanted it, so I'm doing something else different here. And this is what I mean by budget. I don't have a lot of money. Right now, for my audio, I'm using a pair of Samsung headphones with my phone to record the audio, and I've got to sync it up and make sure it sounds decent. So, we'll see how it goes. I'm excited to start this. I did the gaming side of YouTube before, and this is a whole new experience. Because before with the game stuff, you just take your gameplay video and your audio and then whatever music you want, slap them together, compile them into a video and shoot them out on YouTube. This, you have to... I'm meticulous. I'm the worst at editing anything. I don't know why I'm starting this. I'm a perfectionist. If it doesn't match the vision I have in my head, I will scrap it and start all over until it looks just about, and it's still not going to be perfect. But I'm going to try my hardest to make these videos as uncringy and as good quality as I can. They're going to be kind of crappy right here to start because I have, a $50 GoPro. Jeez, oh, hey, you're coming up pretty fast. Hello, buddy. Anyway, I hope you guys will kind of follow the build. I'm excited to get started. I can't wait for all this stuff to go down. So, let's do it. Let's see where this thing goes. I will edit my heart out and make these as good as possible. And not as boring as, I've seen some other videos. I know this one's kind of like a drone-on vlog style video, but I'm just kind of introducing myself, letting you guys see who I am and what I'm all about. I'm a pretty goofy dude. I'll try to keep this as family friendly as possible. But yeah, all you guys that are just starting out with your cars, your first car or whatever, I've been there. I think we've all been there. You don't need a ton of money to make your car the way you want it to look. If you want a Rocket Bunny wide body kit, yeah, you're gonna have to spend the money to get a Rocket Bunny wide body kit. I'm not gonna do that. I might, if I get, wheel poke on whatever wheels I end up buying for this thing, I'm just gonna buy some cheap universal fit over fenders, cut them to fit, and we're calling it a day. Hemi! other than that, I'll see you guys around. This is going to be the end of this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed listening to me drone on about stupid shit and freaking out over a Yukon trying to come into my lane. So I will see you guys later.